the Steady Dripping Resin. I brought the collection out, guys. I just want y'all to look. Again, I want to wish everybody a wonderful day. What is this? Resin on the camera lens? Oh, come on, man. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, this is the collection. These are the ones that I've poured that turned out really well. This is what I have right now so far to date. Steady Dripping Resin. This one actually glows in the dark. I believe this one does too, if I'm not mistaken. Take a look at that. Steady Dripping Resin. Check me out, guys. Like I say, the tip to this is making sure that you get all your bubbles out. And you will be successful when you're pouring these. You've seen these two already. Take a look at that one. I surprised myself when I did this one. I was like, what? I was like, how? What? Yeah. I love that. Man, I know y'all love that. Come on. Come on. Look at that. It even has a texture on the top. And I traced this one with gold at the bottom, just to see what that would look like. I kind of like that. Gives it a different dimension. Come on. Steady Dripping Resin. Come on. Hit that like. Hit that subscribe, man. Subscribe to me. You know what I'm saying? It's all positive vibes over here. We gonna do our thing, baby. We're doing our thing. Sorry about the stuff in the way here. Don't trip. But this is the collection to date. I want to pour some more because we steady dripping resin. That's what we do. We're just gonna keep dripping. I might pour some more. Y'all might see me again in a few minutes because I'm just gonna steady drip. I want to make some more glow in the dark ones like this. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm thinking about making some more of these glow in the dark ones. Man, that's that Hulk smash. That's that Hulk smash, man. Ugh. That's that Hulk smash. Ooh, let me clean it up a little bit. Come on. Let's see if I can get it to glow for y'all. If I get it to glow for you, you gotta come on, give me that thumbs up. Don't give me no thumbs down, baby. If I can get this thing to glow, let's see. Let's cut the lights off, y'all. And we can see if this thing glows or not. And you just activate it, just put it up close to some light and activate it. And I think this one glows in the dark too, if I'm not mistaken. So, y'all bear with me, we're gonna see. Not 100%, but I think this one does glow in the dark. Okay, let's see. Steady dripping resin. Oh, come on. Holla at me. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. We coming. We coming. You're not gonna lose this one at nighttime, I promise you. You ain't gonna lose that doing Netflix and chill. Look at that, that's on a whole different planet. Like what planet's that's from? That's Romulus, baby. That's from where Spock live. That's Spock home planet. Ooh hoo hoo. Check me out. Steady dripping resin. Steady dripping resin. Steady dripping. Steady dripping, baby. Steady dripping, yeah. Come on. Yeah, go to my Etsy shop and pick these up. I don't know how much I'm gonna charge yet, but, and look, some of the teeth are serrated, which makes it even better for the grind. Let's cut the lights back on. Woo. Woo. Steady dripping resin, baby. Come back. Sorry about that. Steady dripping resin. Come back. Holla back. Leave a comment, man. Put a comment down there. Let somebody know that you've seen these, that you want to give to a special friend. Ask them, no, hey, man, share this video. Share this video. Hit that like. Hit me with one of them funsy high fives, and we gonna be back. Y'all stay blessed, stay alive, and we out. Steady dripping resin.